Year 2022 is the year of surprises for number 9 persons. You can expect the unexpected in this year. So whether it is you or the people around you, you can expect the unexpected. So you'll be trying something new this year probably. So from past some time, you have been doing some work. You were involved in some regular job or some work. You were doing your own work silently, quietly, probably sitting alone doing your work, whether it was some technical analysis or doing your manufacturing part or anything you were doing, you were just sitting alone and doing your work. But this year you will try to come out of your cocoon. You will try to do something new that helps you get recognized quickly, that helps register your presence in the society, that helps you tell people that I also exist here, I am also important. So to attract success and recognition, you'll be trying new things, whether it is starting a new business or new activity, an activity like clicking photographs with some political person or some influential person, or simply joining politics, or doing something like doing Instagram reels or some other social media platforms, so that people know you, people start recognizing you. So probably you will develop a desire to get noticed, to get recognized, and your effort should get recognized. And one more thing, that you will be quite vocal and quite daring in this year. So you won't be able to withstand any kind of injustice. You will raise your voice against that, and you will be ready to take risks also. So if it is about investing money to attract profits quickly and to attract growth quickly, so you'll be ready to do that. But it is not at all advisable, because you should not be doing anything in haste. And even if it is, for example, if you are working for some company, you are into a job, and you suddenly get some good prospects that leave your job and start doing this startup or start doing this work, and you will be tempted to do that, because that will help you get immediate recognition and success and money and growth. So that offer is most likely this offer is most likely to be turned out to a bogus offer, and you should resist that offer. So you should better focus on your work. You should better consult with your, or you should better discuss with your elders, your well wishers, or if you have a consultant, if you have a guide, so you should better consult with them before taking such an important decision. At least you should wait for one night before you take such important decisions this year. So otherwise, this is the year of this year will be full of energy for you. You'll be full of ideas. It is just that you should not hurry up in execution of those ideas. You should wait, you should consult, and then move in your life. Especially in the month of March, you should exercise due patience and your discretion, because you might come across some unfavorable situations, and it's just that you need to be patient. You need to handle the situations patiently and with discretion to avoid any complications in your life. It's just that. Otherwise, if you are in the field of industrial designs, if you are in the field of instrumentation engineering or construction, especially construction of industrial sheds, or in the field of sports, or you are running some eateries, especially junk food, so year 2022 is going to be a great year for you. You are going to get good benefits, and it's totally good for your business and your life. So the major thing to take care of in the year 2022 is, don't allow your aggression, your energies to get misled and misguided. Ensure that all your efforts are towards the humanity only, to support humanity, and to support brotherhood only. These should not get misdirected, misled, and you should not do anything in haste that you need to repent later on. You should avoid that. And if you talk about success mantra in year 2022, so just help orphans, help all the people who do not have any support otherwise. So all the helpless people and orphan kids, so you should help them throughout the year. This will not only help avoid all the challenges that might come across in your life, but this will also help you attract higher and faster growth in this new year 2022. With that, I wish you all the very best, and may this new year bring in lots of happiness, success, money, growth, and peace of mind for all of you. Wish you a very happy new year.